What's the matter? Why are you getting up?
This.
What do you have?
That.
No, what's the matter? Why do you need this?
This.
Why do you need this?
This.
Why?
My hips ups.
Oh my goodness.
What makes hip ups go away?
What is this? What is it?
Fit.
Peanut butter.
Okay, Mr. Hip Ups.
Does it get rid of hiccups? Are hiccups gone now?
It will be in a minute, huh?
Wow.
Good job.
Are the hiccups gone?